Welcome students. In this video, I'll be talking about how to solve the following limit using the, the derivative of a function at a point. So suppose your limit tells you that you have to find the limit as h approaches 0 of the quantity 3 plus h squared minus 9 over h. You can do it using regular limits, or you can notice that this is a difference quotient. And what function do you think we're using here? We're basically in this limit, we're trying to, this is the same thing as trying to solve the following. So basically what we're doing is the h, I'm sorry, the dx of the function x squared, and we have, and as you can see here, is going, you can see it's a square and it's evaluated at x equals 3. So to solve this limit, notice right now, if we plug in 0 here, it wouldn't work. So you have to manipulate here. But if you know the derivative of the function x squared and then you evaluate at 3, that will give you the same limit. So for example here, what's the derivative of x squared? We're going to use the power rule. And we're going to become, this becomes 2x, and we have to evaluate it at 3, x equals 3. So this is equal to 2 times 3, which is equal to 6. So that will be the limit. That's all we needed to do when we have something, a difference quotient like this, and we know, and we can figure out the function that this limit is trying to represent. Another way to find it is using from the fundamentals, from the definition of the derivative. So we know that this limit is equal to, we're going to expand 3 plus h, so that will be 9 plus 3h, and then we're going to do plus 3h plus h squared minus 9, limit as h approaches 0, and then we divide by h. So now we combine, so this one cancels with this one, 9, and we're left with 6h plus h squared all over h. Now if we divide, now we can do last follow, lim as h approaches 0. So we're gonna cancel one h, and we're left with 6 plus h. And of course, as we can say, as h approaches 0, 6 plus h equals 6 plus 0, which is equal to 6. And notice this is the same answer we got using the derivative. So there are two methods you can solve this type of limits that have a difference quotient. So thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate you, and see you soon.